Here we go, guys, it's not all bad. I keep telling Dad it's a sailboat, but he's adamant he wants the engine on. We're struggling, it's a northerly wind. What perfect timing it was for Dad to go down below and use the facilities. We hit a patch of water known as the Overfalls. Overfalls, a turbulent stretch of open water caused by a strong current or tide over a submerged ridge, or by a meeting of currents. What you find with overfalls is the surface of the ocean becomes rough, with short steep waves coming from several different directions. You have to manoeuvre through these areas, carefully, cautiously, and just the right speed to get you through it. What you can hear in the background is me telling Dad to stay safe and stay down until we pass this rough patch of water. Check out the serious face. Now you know it's serious. This is Overfalls. Something I should have done is set myself a reminder to check for the overfalls. We was hoping to avoid this area of water and sail round it. Under the wrong conditions, this can capsize the boat, especially a small one like mine. Quite a way away. We got about 10 mile. 10 mile? Yeah. 10 more mile, 3 mile an hour. We'll soon be there. Planning to anchor
that
outside.
Corner seems to get any nearer, doesn't it?
Eh?
That corner.
No, it seems far away, doesn't it? Talking about that corner, you never seem to get any nearer. But I'm going to anchor up at Cromer before dark, hopefully, beyond the sea. The plan was to anchor at Blakeney, but we've not made good time today, so we'll see what tonight brings and decide what's happening tomorrow. Yeah, we seem to think that these houses may be being lost to the sea. They're doing some reinforcement works there, but there's one part of the UK where it's losing property to the ocean. This part of the journey took us from Lowestoft to Cromer.